Hey there, it's almost St. Patrick's Day, and today we're going to make a St. Patrick's Day snack or treat, but we have another plan with our snack today. Today we're going to try to catch a leprechaun with our snack. We're going to make it look like gold. There are some things that we know about leprechauns. One thing we know is that they are little.
They are little. They are little.
We know they wear green clothes.
They wear green clothes. They wear green clothes.
We know they love gold.
They love gold. They love gold.
We also know they are really hard to catch.
They are hard to catch. They are hard to catch.
So I thought we would try to catch them with some yummy snacks that look like gold. While we do our cooking activity, we are going to use the Unity 84 sequence software on our accent device. So while we do this cooking activity, we are going to use the Unity 84 sequence software in the accent device, and we're going to talk about directing or saying the things that you need somebody to do to help you to do the activity. So one of the things that you might need to say is for your helpers to get you something, right? So we might have to say, get that.
Get that.
Right? Or get this. One of the things that we need to get is butter flavored puff corn. So we need to get that.
That. Get that.
Get that. Another thing that we need to get is almond bark. So you might have to say to your helper, please get this.
Please get this.
Please get this, right? Okay. These two ingredients are the ingredients for the recipe that I found. It's Trisha Yearwood's Pandora's Box recipe. So these are the only two ingredients you need to get to make that recipe. But we are also going to add some things to trick our leprechauns into thinking it's gold. So I needed to get some yellow food coloring. So I needed to get yellow.
Get yellow. Get yellow.
The reason I needed to get yellow is to make it look like gold.
Gold. Get yellow to make gold.
Get yellow to make it look like gold. And then at the end, I thought it would be fun to add some colorful sprinkles on it, and so I had to get these.
Get these. Get these.
Get these as well. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to put our puff corn in a big bowl. I have this big bowl, and if you have somebody helping you, you might need to say, open it.
Please.
It doesn't hurt to say please. We don't always have to say please, but it doesn't hurt to say please.
Open it, please.
And then we also have to say, put it in there.
Put it in there. Put it in there.
Put it in there. I'm going to open my bag and pour it in. Okay, there's our puff corn in the bag. The next thing we need to do is we need to melt our almond bark. Right now it's really hard and it's not going to mix in with our puff corn. It is too hard.
Too hard.
So when we melt it, we'll make it soft. So we will make it. We'll make it melted. So that we can pour it on top. And so that we can pour it, right?
Pour it.
Now, once we melt our almond bark, We have to move really fast to get our recipe to work. Okay, so what I did was I took the almond bark out, and I only needed 6 squares for as much puff corn as I have. So I put it in this bowl, and now I'm going to use the microwave to melt it. I think it's probably going to need about 60 to 90 seconds. So let's go ahead and start it and see what happens. Okay, let's check it again. Oh yes, it is starting to melt. I can see it getting soft. I'm going to add my yellow food coloring in now and let it get the color changing while we finish melting it in the microwave. Okay, another 30 seconds should do it. So while we're waiting for this to finish, I want to tell you that when it comes out, so when
it
comes out,
when it comes out,
we have to move very, very fast.
when it comes out fast,
We have to move fast to get it into the bowl before it gets hardens up again. So I'm going to give it a quick stir. I'm going to pour it over my puff corn, and now I'm going to put the lid on, and we're going to shake and mix. Okay, let's take a look at it. We mixed it up, we shook, and now all of our puff corn is covered in our yellow colored almond bark, and I think it looks really a lot like gold. What do you think?
What do you think? What do you think?
I think yes, it looks like gold.
I think yes. I think yes.
I think yes.
It
looks
like
gold.
Gold. It looks like gold.
It looks like gold. Let's make it a little bit more colorful though, and a little bit more fun. We're going to put some sprinkles on it. I have lots of different colors. I think I might go with some green sprinkles, so I'm going to pick green.
I pick green. I pick green.
And then I think I will also pick the blue and green and white with the stars. So I also will pick these.
I pick these. I pick these.
I pick these. So I'm going to open.
Open it. Open it.
I'm going to open it and pour some in.
And pour some in. Open it and pour some
Open it
in.
and pour some in. I'm going to open it all the way so I can do sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Make it really colorful. Here's our green ones. Sprinkle, 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 make it really colorful. I'm going to put my lid back on and we're going to shake it some more. So we have to shake
it
up.
Shake it up.
Shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake. Get it really nicely mixed in. And here is our gold snack that we can try to trap our leprechaun with. I hope you like it. Happy St. Patrick's Day.